Thank you very much for this honor you have awarded me tonight. I've always believed that the real measure of celebrity success was not just how famous he becomes, but what he does with that fame and fortune. Especially in today's technological and media advanced society, the attention and fortune showered on an individual celebrity is oftentimes immensely disproportionate to his or her achievements. Today, a person can literally become a celebrity overnight throughout the entire world, and that kind of attention can be difficult for an individual to handle. But I have also learned that such fame can also be